guys, today I am doing a makeup look and showing you what I purchased because I recently just went to Disney World. I wanted to show you what I wore every day because it's very humid down there in Florida right now. So I just wanted to show you my tips and tricks, what I did when I was there to prevent my makeup from completely sweating off. So stay tuned if you want to hear what I did as well as see what I purchased. This is Pascal. He's in the Tangled movie as Rapunzel's sidekick. I got this. I should probably put this on as well. Anyways, keep on watching. I just put on Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I chose to bring my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. It is in the shade Fresco, and I just find that this is the best foundation that I have used down in Florida, just because of its staying power, and it just stays all day. It's heavier makeup, but as long as you use setting spray, it really does last all day, even in the humidity. The first thing that I do is put some setting spray on. I use a makeup sponge because I feel like, especially when I use brushes, I just feel like it looks okay, but it kind of just sits on the top of my skin, where if you use the sponge, it really does blend in better. Okay, once that is all evenly blended, I take most of your makeup that rubs off on the mask will be like bronzer and blush. But even when you take your mask off, I swear every day I went for 6 days, my face still looked great after. There wasn't any patches missing of makeup or anything. But with the concealer, it's fine because the mask obviously doesn't really cover that part of your face. So I'm using the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. And again, I'm using this sponge to blend in, and I do pat with my finger too. This concealer is not watery, so I feel like it does stick to your face pretty quickly as well. So you kind of need to blend in right away. Okay, that's done. And I also wanted to note, I didn't do my makeup exactly like this every day. I did most days when I was in Florida, but some of the days I put on a lot less. I feel like other types of foundation or skin tint, something that's a lot lighter, would rub off easier with a mask, so that's why I chose to wear a heavier foundation. So I'm putting on this makeup all together at once before showing you anything is because it does dry down so quickly that I want to make sure it's all blended before I start showing you anything. So this Milk Makeup powder, it's in translucent light. It's called Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. It's my favorite recently. I've been using it in other videos. Really helped during this trip. I put on way more than usual, and that's because I feel like I might have needed it to set it to keep it in place. So this is not an everyday makeup look. I put it all along the side of my nose and under my eye. During quarantine, I'm not usually wearing makeup, but in Disney World, I like to go all out a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna let that set. I wanna show you first thing that I got. So before I even went to Disney, I picked up a couple tops for the week. This is one of them. This is, I'll insert a picture of what it looks like fully. But I got this top from ASOS. It reminded me of Rapunzel, and I was like, I have to wear this to Magic Kingdom. To add with this outfit, I got Pascal. He's so cute. Pascal is my favorite sidekick. He's in the movie Tangled with Rapunzel, and he always sits on her shoulder. So Disney actually came out with, this is like a magnet, and you put it under your shirt. See, it's little shoulder Pascal. He's so cute. Also, to go with this outfit, my best friend, which by the way, the reason we went to Florida was for my best friend's bachelorette party. Haley basically picked us all up ears based on our favorite Disney characters or movies. So I got the Rapunzel one, and this is literally the cutest ears ever. They're so adorable. I love them. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Instant Warmth Bronzer. It's a little dirty, sorry about that. It's in the shade Private Island. And this is so nice. I'm just gonna put that on. I put it on more on the sides of my face only, and just to kind of, and on the top, just to kind of warm up my face. But I don't put a ton on or anything because it's gonna be under the mask. Next, I'm going to use this is my favorite blush. It's Disney themed. I just love it, and I've put it in my other videos. It's the Disney Designer Collection in Floating Lights. It's a pressed powder blush, and it suits my skin tone very well. It's pretty much my shirt color. It's not bubblegum pink, it's like a muted, cool toned pink blush color, kind of on the sides of my face as well, so that the mask doesn't completely take it off. I didn't use any highlight. I didn't think that there was a point. Next, I'm gonna use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm in the shade 2.5, and I'm just gonna come back when brows are done because it's just really simple. I don't do anything special with my brows. So next, I'm gonna take this setting spray, and spray it against my face again. And this will really cement everything in. And so I'm going to show you next what I got. It is so cute, and I'm so excited to light it. It is Candle, and I got this from Disney Springs in the World of Disney store. If you haven't been there, it's the biggest store ever, and it just has like everything that Disney has currently or sells. And it was $19.99. This is pumpkin spice scented, and it's just so perfect for fall. I thought it was so cute, and it's really big too. It's like the size of like the largest size of the Yankee Candle candles, I think. And it just has the cutest little drawings and cartoons all over it. There's a pumpkin, it says "Hey Pumpkin" on here. There's little Mickeys, there's candies, there's bats, it looks like marshmallows on a stick right here. And, you know, like a Halloween cupcake, Mickey cupcake. And they're just so cute, and I thought it was so festive, but this room's about to smell so good. So for eyes, I kept it pretty simple, I guess. Okay, and I'm gonna take my Define-a line by Maybelline eyeliner, and it's in a dark brown color, and I put this in the bottom eyes, my bottom lids. Take a Q-tip and wet it, and just kind of wipe. And what this does is it just kind of brings more attention to your eye. I was very careful because since it's loose powder, you have to be careful with your eyes. And I just wipe this all around the eyes and the crease just to showcase it a little bit more. Back in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I just popped that on the lids and under my eyes just for that extra definition. Okay, and then I went in with my eyeliner, and I used the NYX Epic liner in black. Okay, and I went in with the mascara by Covergirl. It's the LashBlast Volume. It's my favorite, and I've used this in so many of my videos. It's waterproof as well. That's why I took it to Disney. It just makes your lashes stay up all day. I put on about like 2 coats, I would say, of mascara. And so I got some gifts while I was there as well. This adorable cat mug. I got this at, I got this at the Emporium at Magic Kingdom, and it has all of the different cats in the Disney movies. Like the Cheshire cat is right here. Yeah, these are the cats from the Aristocats as kittens, and the inside there's a little paw. And I also got these Mickey and Minnie wine corks. Okay, and I wanted to show you some ears that I got as well. I've had these ears forever. I got these probably in around 2010, I think. And these are the most comfortable to wear on your ears as well. I got these really cute ears. It's Jack Skellington or Nightmare Before Christmas. I just love these. They're my favorite ears ever. And then on the back, I got these in Disney, actually, in Galaxy's Edge, which is the new Star Wars land, and it's so cute. It has a little BB-8. It's so cute. It might be like BB-8 for Halloween or something, I don't know. I already put on like a gloss just to make my lips moisturized for the beginning, you know, before I put on lip stain. It's basically lip stain. What I ended up doing is researching online, and I found the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick, I guess, liquid lipstick. That's what it's called. It's in the shade 65 or Seductress, and it's a really pretty mauvey brownie nude color. And basically it looks like a liquid lipstick on like kind of like a doe foot applicator, but it dries down, and once it's dry it doesn't come off. Like, it doesn't come off for like 10 hours, I would say. It comes off a little bit more with the mask, but not as much as you would expect with lipstick. Like, I could still wear this and not really worry about, like, it never ended up all over my face. It would come off a little bit on the mask itself, but I definitely recommend this. I'm just gonna, for this video, just go over it a little bit with lip. Okay, now I brought false lashes, but just like the little end pieces, and I didn't really wear them there. I was so busy and didn't want to worry about them. But I'm gonna put them on because I believe I wore them for one night when we went out in Disney Springs. So it's just end pieces, and then okay, so I finished the look. This is what I looked like when I went to Disney for a couple of days. I know when I went to Magic Kingdom, I had this look. So just want to show you a couple more pieces that I got. I got Chris, my husband, a couple mugs. So this one was from Galaxy's Edge. It's so cute. It has R2-D2 kind of look on the top, and then on the bottom, I don't know, it's kind of orangey red. It could be BB-8, but I'm not really sure. It's very funky. He wanted a funky Disney mug and then more of like a practical one. So this other one I can't find right now, but I'll probably insert a picture of what it is. It's really cute. Okay, I also got this black Spirit jersey. I totally forgot to add this when I was filming, but editing now, I just popped in a picture I found online, and it's so comfy. It's my first Spirit jersey, and I just think it's perfect for the season, the color. Also from the Emporium, I picked up this. I got this before as a gift, and I loved it so much that I got it again, and it's just so delicious with tea, or a big tea drink. And I also got this wine cork as well. It's an elephant, and it's so cute. I got this at Animal Kingdom in one of the shops. Okay, and I think the last thing that I got was a headband, and it's kind of like a headband hair scarf. I thought it was really cute. I like the pattern. It's from Animal Kingdom. So I wanted to pick up something that looked a little bit more tribal from Animal Kingdom. So I got this hair wrap. You can wear it multiple ways. I think it was $14, which is kind of expensive in my opinion, but I ended up getting it. And I also, some things that I'm not showing here, I got a bunch of candy for Chris, and I think he ate them in like 2 days, so that's gone. Okay, so putting Pascal back on. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for anyone going to Disney or just makeup advice in general in super humid weather, and you know, with wearing a mask and everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. I again hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming out with more Disney videos shortly. I want to do some makeup inspiration videos with Disney, and I also want to put out my Disney trip video, which I'm still working on. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.